पद ऐसा है जिसकी गरिमा के खिलाफ है ये।
Now we shift our focus to what's happening in the Parliament. We learned that an important and crucial meeting is underway of the Standing Committee of External Affairs in the Parliament, where we believe that Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri is present in the meeting and he will brief on the subject of future of India-Bangladesh relationship. So that's the breaking news that's coming in from the Parliament, where we learn that a meeting of the Standing Committee on External Affairs has begun in the Parliament House. In this meeting, Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri will be present. He will brief the committee on the future of India-Bangladesh relationship. Remember, this comes just days after Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri was in Dhaka. He met Mohammad Yunus. He also met other officials of the Bangladesh government and spoke on the targeted attack on Hindus in Bangladesh. India had a plain speak in Bangladesh to Mohammad Yunus, categorically saying that the Yunus government has to ensure the safety and security of Hindus. This happened just few days back while Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri was in Dhaka. And today, the big breaking news that we have is that a meeting of the External Affairs Committee is underway in Parliament House. And in this meeting, Vikram Misri, the Foreign Secretary of India, is present. And he will be briefing the committee on the future of India-Bangladesh relationship. So that's the breaking news coming in from Parliament, where we learned that a crucial meeting is being held in the Parliament House, where Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri is present in the meeting. He will be briefing the Standing Committee on External Affairs on the subject of future of India-Bangladesh relationship. Remember, India-Bangladesh relationship have experienced extremely volatile ties when it comes to Hindus being attacked in Bangladesh. The ISKCON monk is still jailed. He has received no relief from the court as well. Hindus are being attacked, temples are being vandalized, and among this, just few days back, it was India's Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri who was in Dhaka, where he met Mohammad Yunus and other officials of the Yunus government, where he did a straight talk with Bangladesh officials, with the Bangladesh interim government, where he said that any atrocities on Hindus in Bangladesh under Mohammad Yunus's regime will not be accepted. So India there, in a very categoric manner, has warned Yunus government, saying that they will not be tolerating any attacks on Hindus, Hindu temples and the minorities in Bangladesh. And amidst all of this, what we learn is that a crucial meeting is underway in Parliament, where Vikram Misri is a part of the meeting, and he will be briefing the Standing Committee on the issue of future of India-Bangladesh relationship. It remains to be seen on whether India will now be taking a tough stand against Bangladesh, keeping in mind the repeated atrocities on Hindus, on Hindu temples as well. So that's the latest breaking news that's coming in from Parliament, where we learned that a crucial meeting is underway in the Parliament House, where Indian Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri is a part of the meeting. He's holding a crucial meeting. A standing committee of the External Affairs meeting is being held in the Parliament, where Indian Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri is a part of the meeting. He will be briefing the committee on India-Bangladesh situation that's there and the future of the India-Bangladesh situation. Senior editor Shravan Sen joins me to add more details to the story. Shravan, this development comes days after Vikram Misri, the Indian Foreign Secretary, was in Bangladesh. He was in Dhaka. He did meet Yunus and the interim government there. And he had a very straight talk with Yunus, saying that any atrocities on minorities will not be tolerated. And amidst this, we have a crucial meeting that's underway in the Parliament.
Well, in fact, this is the first official visit by an Indian delegate to Bangladesh. This was after Mohammad Yunus took over as the caretaker government chief. Now, what's important to point out here is that since the time Sheikh Hasina has been ousted, what we have essentially seen is atrocities committed against minorities, and that has been a bigger issue that has also been raised by Prime Minister Modi. In fact, in the meeting that the Foreign Secretary has had with his counterpart, as well as the Foreign Secretary, has basically highlighted, one, the issue of how the minorities are being treated. Number two is with regards to India-Bangladesh relations in the days to come. How exactly can the cooperation be extended, particularly in some of the areas that India and Bangladesh have been working over the last several years, particularly during the Sheikh Hasina regime, and looking at trade ties to that should essentially continue. These are some of the messages that were sent across. But having said that, remember, the Prime Minister has been extremely clear about the fact that India has taken a firm position with regards to how the minorities are essentially being targeted in Bangladesh, and something that the Foreign Secretary too has conveyed to Mohammed Yunus.
Right, Shravan, thank you for sharing us all those details. All eyes are not what key decision will be taken by India on the ties as